The greatest way to make passive income online. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what exactly affiliate marketing is and how it works. What is going on, guys? The Cash Kreator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about what exactly affiliate marketing is and how it works. Alright, so let's get right into it. The tool that I'm going to be using to demonstrate it to you guys is called FUNNELYTICS. It's a great digital marketing tool. It's a great funnel mapping software, and if you want to make demonstrations like this, please check out the link in the description. So, affiliate marketing, what is it? It is essentially the process of directing traffic from your sources, whether it's Instagram, whether it's YouTube or Facebook, to the sales page of a business that is selling a certain product or service. And every time someone from your traffic makes a purchase, also known as a conversion in affiliate marketing terms, you guys make a commission. Okay, so here is our Instagram page, for example. It could be a fitness page. Let's say we're talking about how to help people lose fat, build muscle, get healthier. So we'll have a lot of people interested in the fitness niche. So we know what their interests are, so we can send those people to an online course, for example, that is, teaching people how to lose belly fat, how to lose weight, how to get fitter. Okay, so we do that by creating a post on Instagram or putting on our story, guys, please check this online course out, it's great. And then we'll be sending our traffic onto the sales page of that product. Alright, so here is the sales page, directing our traffic from Instagram to that sales page, and every time someone buys that product, we get a commission. Alright, here is the purchase. So as you can see, traffic from here to the sales page, and voila, purchase equals commission for us. Alright, that's basically what affiliate marketing is. There's many different products out there, loads of online courses, loads of software, loads of different things that you guys can promote. Okay, so for example, if it was an online course, as I said, teaching people how to lose belly fat, it costed $100. They could offer 50% commission to people who, to affiliates, and therefore you guys get $50 every time someone else buys it. So someone else buys the product, but you guys get a commission. Alright, so that's how affiliate marketing works. It's also scalable. So for example, you can also send traffic from your Facebook, from your LinkedIn. You can make a LinkedIn page, you can start making YouTube videos. You can use all these different methods. Okay, and then you can also send traffic to the sales page through here. Alright, it's a great way to increase your traffic. Increasing the scale increases traffic, because you're getting now traffic from all these different sources and sending them all to that sales page. So the more traffic you get onto that sales page, the more chance you guys have of making a commission. Alright, so that's why it's really important to increase your traffic. Okay, there's another advanced method that you guys could even use. It's using adverts. So if you use Google AdWords, you can send traffic to your Instagram page, for example, and then more people will be looking at the Instagram page, more people will be looking at the products that you guys are promoting, and therefore more chances of you guys making a sale. That is what affiliate marketing is, guys. It's a great way to earn passive income, simply because you could make one video today and you'll be on the internet forever, and then anytime someone buys a product that you're promoting, if someone bought that online course, even a year from now, you guys will make a commission. So you can just make one video and it's there forever. It's a great way for passive income, and I'm going to be showing you guys in future, the best products to promote, different ways that you can affiliate market. So please, guys, please stay tuned for those videos. Please join my team as an affiliate marketer. And if you have any questions, or you want to have a discussion in the comment section about different products to promote, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Peace out. Take it easy. The Cash Kreator is signing off.